Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citi Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Citi Bank website or app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of the interface. You may find this under the Tools or Financial Management category. Select the option for creating a new budget. Start by inputting your total monthly income. Make sure to include all income sources, such as salary and bonuses. Next, identify your fixed monthly expenses. These may include rent, utilities, and loan payments. After listing fixed expenses, move on to variable expenses. Variable expenses can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Allocate a realistic amount for each variable category. Review the total of both fixed and variable expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will show you how much money you have left each month. If you're in the positive, consider allocating funds for savings or investments. If you're in the negative, reassess your variable expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back. Once your budget looks balanced, save it in the app or website. Set reminders within the app to track your spending regularly. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Monitor changes in income or expenses to stay on track. By staying consistent, you'll gain better control over your finances. Citibank also offers tools to track your expenses in real time. Use these analytics to guide future budgeting decisions. Engage with any educational resources Citibank provides on budgeting. Taking advantage of these tools will enhance your financial literacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.